There's a new drone art exhibition starting this week, and because it's 2020, that means it's virtual, it's online, and it's open to you all over the world. Cue the music. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. How are you all doing? Sorry it's been so long since our last video. We have been very busy in Europe with drone operations, and we just got back a few days ago. We're in quarantine, had our first test, it was negative, should have another test today, and then we can get out of quarantine very soon. If you like drones, if you like to look at the professional side, even if you're a hobbyist, please consider subscribing to the channel because we've got lots of good tips, information to keep you updated, to show you how you can push forward with your drones. Because we do this is our job, and we are doing really well, so we want to share this information. So please hit that subscribe and let's have a look at this exhibition. So Sheffield University is hosting a new event online. It's called the World of Drone Art. Now this is a unique event based around drones, looking at the military side and the technology side as well as the art side. And I think that this is a good combination so that we can see where the industry is going. And I'm hoping that this will be a great event to influence you, to push you to look at new ways to use drones, because this is what I love. I love seeing how drone innovation moves, and it inspires people to see how it can help. Social acceptance has not quite hit with drones yet, and we're still working very hard with that, even though I don't think we're doing enough. Hopefully this event can help with that. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Make sure you click that. Please attend. It starts tomorrow, the 12th of November 2020, and runs until the 22nd of November. So make sure you catch it and let me know what you think. Is this a good event? Has this inspired you? Is this giving you enough information? How will it help you? I'm quite looking forward to seeing this event actually. I think it would be great, and having had a couple of exhibitions myself, it's really good to show society what drones are doing and how they can help and give you a different perspective on life itself. But this is focused on technology, which I think is even better. So let me know what you think. Has this been a good exhibition for you? Was it great? Did it help you? Did it motivate you? Are you going to do something about it? Let me know. I really want to know, because I want this industry to grow, and it will only grow with the community. Okay guys, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video. Please consider subscribing and fly safe.